Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I make videos all about planners, pens, and everything paper. So today I am going to talk about how I'm using the Flylady cleaning system. So this is the book that the Flylady, that is her nickname, published a while ago. I stumbled upon one of these videos from the Secret Slob. It's a channel here on YouTube, and it's by a woman named Steph, and I was just really trying to find out how to declutter our home. My daughter was a couple months old, and I just felt really overwhelmed with everything that I was trying to do with, getting adjusted to having a new baby, working full time, and also taking care of our home. So I will leave Steph's YouTube channel and the video that really kicked everything off for me in the description. So I wanted to let you know how I'm using it. Most people that I've seen that are using the Flylady system have the ability to work from home. I work outside of the home. I'm a full-time special education teacher. I have a daughter, I have a husband, I also have an Etsy business. So I have a lot of different things on my plate, and I wanted to show you how Flylady is working for me. So this is the Flylady book. If you've never heard of Flylady before, I will link Steph's YouTube channel as well as Diane and Denmark's YouTube channel. They have really great videos that go over all of the baby steps that are listed in this book. That really helped me, and they do a really great job at explaining all of the baby steps. So this is really for someone who maybe is interested in the Flylady system, or if you are familiar with it, because I'm just going to quickly go over what the Flylady recommends and what I am doing in our home. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my binder that I created. Now, before I did not use this, I had all of these separate spread around the house, but I ended up losing the pages. So I stuck everything in a binder, and that has really been working well. Okay, so Flylady's weekly home blessing is about 6 or 7 items, and she has you set a timer for 10 minutes each to complete each of those items. That didn't work for me. An hour or 70 minutes was not enough time for me to get my whole house done once a week. It's just not enough time. Like I said, I work full time, and it's just not realistic for me in, the stage of life that I'm in right now. So this is my weekly home blessing. So I do set a timer, and I do this once per week, and it will take me about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the room. So I do a quick tidy or declutter, I dust, and I vacuum. I do our master bedroom, I do my daughter's room, and I do our TV room. So that is all that I do for my weekly home blessing. So as the name suggests, I complete this once a week. Okay, so the other thing that I do that is different from the Flylady is I do a daily power tidy. So Steph at Secret Slob, she does a power tidy, and she basically describes it as setting a timer for 15 minutes, working on one place in your home and getting it cleaned up. I have a toddler, so she is very busy. She is always playing, and she's into everything, which is wonderful, but she will leave a trail behind her. We are teaching her how to put things away, but there's still some things that I need to help out with. So every single day I do a daily power tidy in the living room, our front entrance where shoes and mail will collect, our kitchen, and then I also vacuum every day. So I set a timer for 15 minutes, and I basically do the same thing up here. So I will tidy and vacuum. So this is what I do every single day. The bottom section right down here is just for projects. These are just sheet protectors, and then I have a dry erase marker. So anything I want to work on in the house, I just go ahead and add in here, and then this marker has an eraser right on the top. So that is the first part of Flylady that I have kind of modified, and it's working really well. I've been doing Flylady for about, I would say probably close to 10 months now, and it's really drastically changed the way that I look at cleaning and clutter and just the way that our family kind of runs. So the Flylady Zones, I have everything laid out here. I'm going to tell you what the Flylady recommends your zones be. And she has these separated, like I said, a little bit different. I just tweaked them to what works for us. So for her, zone 1 is the entrance, the dining room and the front porch. Zone 2 is the kitchen. Then she has zone 3 is the main bathroom, children's room, and other rooms of your home. That could include a laundry room or an office. Zone 4 is the master bedroom, which includes the closet. And zone 5 is the living room. So I'm going to show you how I've organized these. So zone 1, I put down for our entrance and front porch, and also the half bathroom. When you walk into our home, all of these things are right there. So for me, zone 1 makes sense to put all of these things together. So I just type these up on my computer, and I'll go over everything that I do. So the Flylady system, the whole point is that every week you have, you focus on one zone. So here's a calendar. So the first week of the month, you focus on zone 1. The second week, you focus on zone 2. Third week, zone 3. Fourth week, zone 4. And fifth week, zone 5. So it's pretty basic and easy to remember. And then she wants you to set a timer for 15 minutes. Start anywhere on your list every day, Monday through Saturday, and get some of these things done. If you don't get it done within the 15 minutes, you are just done for the day and you walk away. Then you would focus on it again the following month. Now, these lists that I have right here are for the detailed cleaning. She has a whole system, if you are not ready for this yet, to go through your zones and start with clutter. But like I said, check out Steph's videos and also Diane's videos for more in-depth, because at this point I'm in the detailed cleaning stage of the Flylady system. I know it's really complicated, so I don't want to overwhelm you. So this is zone 1 for me. Like I said, I do these 3 areas, and then when I get done, as you can see over here, I just check it off. So zone 2, I have our kitchen and our dining room. This just makes sense to me because our dining room is right beside our kitchen. And then I also added our garage entrance because we have the door in the kitchen leads out to the garage, and that needs to be swept, and also we separate our recycling, so that is included. So we just finished up with zone 2 last week. So I got a lot of things done. I don't really check off declutter because I do that on a daily basis. So next month when zone 2 rolls around again, I will need to wash the cutlery holder, wipe down the stove, and clean the dishwasher. Okay, so zone 3, and I'm just going to close these blinds really quick so there's not a glare. Okay, so zone 3 is my daughter's bedroom, and all of the bedroom lists are pretty much the same. So I have my detailed cleaning list. So I do her bedroom, and then I also do our guest bedroom. And like I said, do this for 15 minutes, Monday through Saturday. What's done is done. If it doesn't get completed, then you just do it the next month. Zone 4 is our bedroom. And then I also included our bathroom as well as our laundry area. And the laundry really doesn't take that long. We have one of those laundry carts that you put the detergent and fabric softener. So I just do a quick wipe because sometimes it can get dusty or detergent can spill. So that's pretty easy. Zone 5, we have an upstairs living room that we just call the TV room because that's where we will watch movies and shows after my daughter has gone to bed, and we also watch football up there, so we call it the TV room that I have right here. And then I have our living room downstairs. I have the same cleaning sheet. So those are my 5 zones. And then I have one plain sheet that says guest bathroom. I typically will do this when I'm in zone 3 because my daughter's bedroom is right beside our guest bathroom and she uses that bathroom as well. So things that are working for me as someone who works full-time outside of the home, definitely my 2-minute tidy is really important. Like I said, I do a 15-minute power tidy every single day, and I think that makes a huge, huge difference. A lot of the things in the baby steps that the Flylady recommends, we were already doing because my husband and I both leave the home to go to work. So getting up every day, getting dressed to shoes, making your bed, those were things that were already part of our routine, as well as running the dishwasher every night and then emptying it out every morning. So if you guys just started the Flylady system, please let me know. Just know that, like she said, just take it baby steps, and just remember that you can't organize clutter. So once you get the clutter taken care of, I promise you that everything else will fall into place. If you guys have any questions about my Flylady binder or anything that I talked about today, please let me know in the comments and I will have everything linked. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you in my next video.